Hey friends, you guys know I love thrifting. There's nothing more I love than going to the thrift store and seeing what treasures I can find. So I'm taking you along with me today. Let's see what we can find and store. We're coming off a gloomy season, so there might not be a lot, but I have high hopes. Keep your fingers crossed. This would certainly be a great tray for that modern farmhouse style. If you are ever looking for glassware or mugs, the Goodwill has your back. I actually really like these tall white ones. I don't know why I didn't pick those up.
Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
I'm always on the lookout for some good neutral dishes, and those white ones would be perfect. Well, there was not a lot happening today, so hopefully we will have better luck in our next trip. But if you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and I will leave some videos in the iCards down below or up above for you to check out to see more home decor decorating by thrifting from the Goodwill.